You asked, how to divide 6,000 by 8 using the long division method. 6 is too small. Use 60. 60 divided by 8 equals 7. 7 times 8 equals 56. 60 minus 56 equals 4. Bring down 0, making 40. 40 divided by 8 equals 5. 5 times 8 equals 40. 40 minus 40 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 8 equals 0. 0 times 8 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 750.